Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to use fill command in Minecraft. So let's get started. First go to a lower corner to fill up and mark the spot. Now note the coordinates of the mark block using F3. Here is the coordinates. Now go to the opposite corner you want to fill up and mark the spot as well. Now note the coordinate of this block. Now press T and type /fill space both of your coordinates space Minecraft yellow wool space replace and then press enter. As you can see, the selected area is filled with yellow wool. In this way, you can also fill this with any other block. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.